Hi, my name's Naturiol. I'm a marine ecologist based in Bangor, North Wales. Part of my job is to provide advice on habitats and species in relation to developments so that important areas aren't damaged. I collate data on habitats of conservation importance, so that is like the jewels of our crown. They support many other species, but they can themselves be sensitive to impacts. Gathering data can sometimes be problematic, and so we need to be innovative. This is the case with the Severn Estuary in terms of the Sabellaria alveolata reef, the honeycomb worm reef. So honeycomb worm reefs are made up of lots of tubes by the worms which cement little sand grains together, creating these massive structures which can be up to like about a metre high in some places in this country. We've considered them important because they create diversity by adding pools and crevices for seaweeds and animals to live in. They can be found around the whole coast of Wales, and they are a protected feature in the Severn Estuary Special Area of Conservation, particularly because they extend below into the sea where these types of reefs usually don't form. So determining the extent of reef in this location is quite problematic because unlike here, the sea is very sediment laden, and so if you stick your hand into the water you just can't see it. So we have drone footage where you can see the Sabellaria reef is like a textured area and the rest of it is the sea. So visual techniques like traditional techniques like drop down video and divers just don't work in this sort of environment. So we've been doing experimental work with Naturiol England, Inshore Fisheries Conservation Agency and Ocean Ecology using high frequency sonar camera, which takes like a photograph of the seabed but it's actually made out of sound. And so there's still a lot of work to be done in terms of analysing the data, but our initial impressions show that this could be a useful technique to determine areas of established reef within this challenging location.